Good morning from America's newest school leader on television. Take a look at your screen. We're a pilot of the Bronx Zoo. Oh, it's the pilot, Class B pilot of a commercial airliner. What could it be? We're not sure. We're a pilot. We're installed. For more information, go to GoFundMe.com/on television. Donate for your answers in the answer store. Don't steal. Yeah, don't steal. These are our answers. We're going to prove that they want something from our store. What would that be? I'm not sure what they want. I'm not really sure. But it's something that they want from the store. They want something from our store. I'm not sure what it is. Good Lord, what could they want from our store? Let's see if we have a video. Oh, we have a new video here on the 8th. We'll see what that is. Remember, everyone, to GoFundMe.com. If you have answers, pay for them at our store here. GoFundMe.com/on television. Look for on bio. You can see everything that we've been through, including our ID, what was issued in the 1990s. Oh, in high school, Lafayette Lawn. You've got it. You've got the two Twin Towers here. For more information, go to On Televis. GoFundMe.com/On Televis for more on the story. Click donate. We have a goal of $653. You have a chance to make a difference and not complain. This is our way of saying no waiver. You could have donated and made a difference on yourself. Amanda Matan. $653. Put your first name, last name, use your Facebook info. Email country of origin on to and your zip code. Leave a question. I want to know where the country of origin is. Oh, it's probably Alex. Get off the plane, Alex. Dax. It's probably Alex, most likely. We haven't received a donation in 20 days. We haven't answered. And Judge Givens has also seconded that as well. We have to stay away from Joe and anything he installs. Wouldn't that be UCLA? You've got it. Restraining order. Ordered by Deborah Givens, Judge Farrow, Judge Petrovsky. They don't know us. Oh, we're so sorry. But if you want to donate, this is the site here. We'll put a link up for everybody on Twitter right about now. Visit our site here. If you have questions, you can only donate to us, and that'll be a sign that you had a question. Yeah, if you pay for the answers, then yeah, it'll show we've answered something. Well, oh well. You have the answer store here. Remember the app Pour to get rich, increasing efficiency, increasing savings, and maintaining a certain lifestyle is the fastest way to return to build wealth. Visit usbank.com for more information on small businesses, commercial, and government apps for that. Visit Majesty Create Financial Advisors made about you just for you financial solutions for advanced light years ahead. GoFundMe.com on television. And today's show is CDMAYORKREDITCardvardX3.79. We have our card. Yeah, we got the card. We got it. They tried, but we got it. We made sure we remembered. Absolutely, we have our card back. Today's show was provided support by MerriweatherA.Law, advancing clients with us, S1L5. At MerriweatherA.Law, we offer law firm and salary separated bonuses. We also offer tuition and bar exam review and courses reimbursement, relocation and real estate benefits, acquisition and just supplies, state all qualifications, revenue incentives, or donate to title, VI, HSBC, CBSI phone, loan and forgiveness, and join us from America's top law schools. Pay grades at $200,000. Oh, that's a lot. That's a good place to work. Work for him. He's a senior attorney at MerriweatherA.Law. It's the best place to work. Cuarto Cliente Preferencia. Support is also provided by the Bronx Zoo. We're the pilot. Look at your screen. Yeah, here's the pilot. Get 10% off tickets. Enter your email address. Get the code. Division multiple access. NYC students, you fly free. Radio frequency identification, regularly $12.95 and 7. Chaperones, $10. Oh, how many chaperones were on the trip? Who knows? Or what do they know about? Who knows? Wrong zoo. Tours, classes, and outreach all available. Nesquik, shake up the post game. Learn how Nesquik has the right balance of nutrients to help celebrate your little one's next game. Available in chocolate, strawberry, banana, 40% less sugar than most leading competitor drinks, 7 essential vitamins and minerals, deliciously nutritious. Nesquik from Nestle. Heather Howard's Malts of Perfection. When espresso milk and flavor are perfectly balanced, it's called a macchiato. Try it with an iced coconut milk mocha macchiato, caramel macchiato, and new iced cinnamon almond milk macchiato from Heather Howard's. Sip, shop, save, and enjoy up to 30% off while supplies last at Heather Howard's. Oh, that sounds delicious. And get your bonus stalls, 300 stalls. Oh, I love the stars. Nice. Cardless cash option now coming to your phone. Get a cardless withdrawal. Nice. We got our card back. About nice. At Financial Solutions. Yeah, we got it back. Cuarto Cliente Preferencia, Verizon. Shop support my Verizon insurance equipment protection. Can help if its cards are lost, stolen, damaged, or defective after a manufacturer warranty expires. It also provides support for almost anything else when your device connects to. We got our card back. Below, you'll find information about your equipment protection program and how to get the most out of your level coverage that you may have. Yeah, we got it back. Eddie Bauer. Shop now and get 30% off your purchase. Enter code SCOUT and get 30% off. Adventure Reward members save more 40% off. You must use Explore at checkout. Shop women's, shop men's, kids, outerwear at editbauer.com. Cuarto Cliente Preferencia Sprint Total Equipment Protection Expert Support, $12 a night, $12 a day, $12 a month. Planning something. Total equipment protections for your device from Sprint. Visit protection.sprint.com. MerriweatherA.Law. Cuarto Cliente Preferencia and Jetstreamer is here. Same plan, same data, more video. The iPhone 7 available at AT&T wireless and cell phones. Connections that count. Hi, AT&T.com. MerriweatherA.Law. Yeah, hi, AT&T. What's our first time? Cuarto Cliente Preferencia. 2 unlimited lines, $100 all in. Why pay $16 more every year with Verizon? Switch to T-Mobile and get 2 lines of unlimited LTE data for $100 with auto pay. Use plastic, taxes, and fees included. Yeah, we're include. Auto pay. Absolutely. Rhino Court. Allergy spray, original prescription strength, now over the counter. They can't block what causes a new movie, allergy symptoms, and allergy relieves nasal allergies. Save $6. Motto no more from Rhino Court, available from AstraZeneca, a Johnson & Johnson company. Block. ASA, the American Sleep Association, chronic neurology disorder caused by the brain's inability to regulate regulate stable sleep-wake cycle. People who suffer from narcolepsy have mixed signals sent to the brain about when to sleep, when is narcolepsy, which is why narcolepsy fall asleep is an opportune times. Caused by S105. You got Rhino Court. And healthyessentials.com. Get coupons from AstraZeneca, Johnson & Johnson. Let's get to our show here. Video is already in progress. Look at ID on the screen. I love films. Films are so fun.
Good morning.
Good morning. White House, Mr. Sean Spicer.
Did this morning that today's International Women's Day. It's also Women's History Month.
We're
going to be holding several events throughout the month here at the White House to honor and celebrate
I'm the
women
pilot.
and their vital contributions.
I'm flying the plane. Look at the
society,
screen.
our economy, our family.
Good Lord, are you the pilot?
The
Yeah.
this morning about the
I'm
surge in hiring.
Fulton Street.
LinkedIn's workforce
It's on
report
Fulton
states that
Street.
January and February were the strongest
The real
consecutive
trade,
months for
silly.
hiring in over a
Silly
year and a half.
Tony.
A new report from ADP
Oh,
and Moody's
yeah.
showed strong private
Show
job growth
strong. Show strong. Army strong. West Point.
that is far exceeding market expectations.
Yeah, we
And
saw
just this morning,
everything. We saw
Samsung
it.
confirmed that it's planning a, quote, major investment
We saw
in
it.
U.S. production facilities, directly citing the president's election.
I'm your host, Guided Commercial.
The
Geico.
initial investment is
Good
expected to
morning
reach
from
over
America's
$300
newest
billion.
news leader, on
We keep
television.
seeing that the wave of optimism and growth in the wake of the
Come
president's
forward on
pledges
television.
to help American businesses continues to produce
You
real
forgot to
results
document
for people
fraud.
throughout our nation.
Oh, good lord.
Yesterday,
Document fraud. 8 U.S. Code
there are a couple things that I didn't get to
1324.
yesterday, so let me
Chevrolet
mention a couple of
Toyota's
those.
penalties for document
Yesterday
fraud.
afternoon, the Secretary of
Officers
Veterans
Kate
Affairs,
Steffens.
Dr. David
Alex
Shulkin,
Fry.
and senior White House staff
Yeah,
met with
forgery.
several veteran service organizations, including
That's
what's
not for
being
me.
referred to as
That's
the
for
Big Six,
you.
to discuss the president's commitment
Forgery.
to helping our veterans and modernizing
We lied.
the VA. The meeting represented another step in fulfilling the president's
Another step
promise
in fulfilling.
to the men and women who
To
have
the men
served
and
our
women.
nation so honorably. I know the president looks forward
He
to
knows.
personally following up on that meeting.
Today's show is brought to you by Verizon Communications, Good Government Club, Verizon Pack. Yeah, pack it up, Fred Taylor.
General Counsel of the Central Intelligence Agency.
Our Federal Election Committee ID
Department of Justice.
looks
Jeffrey
similar.
Rosen, Deputy Secretary of Transportation.
Mr. Spicer,
John J.
can you
Sullivan,
confirm
General
the
Counsel,
Election Committee,
Department of
Federal Election
Defense.
Committee
Ajit Pai, member of the
ID?
Federal
Looks like
Communications Commission,
I might know
and
something.
Tony Saik Jr., the Assistant Secretary.
Judge
for Public
Givens,
Affairs
we've
of
been
the
ordered
Department
to
of
stay
Treasury.
away
Expect further,
from Joe's
announcements as the meeting
technology.
goes on.
Yeah, we've
Now, I
been
want
told to
mention
stay
today,
away.
this morning, after receiving his daily
But why do they
intelligence
keep
briefing,
ex
the president
partying
met
us?
with
They
Ray
keep
Howell
questioning
Jobs,
us.
founder and
And they keep
president
questioning us, and they
Emerson
won't donate
Collective,
to our
an
store.
organization dedicated to removing the barriers that
Don't worry, you
unfortunately
guys,
prevent
they're
some of the
not.
world from achieving their full
It's not
potential.
usable. I'm telling
We
my little
discussed
means.
education and immigration policy,
It's one way,
which are
only
two
works
of
for
the
us.
areas that Emerson
Oh,
Collective
Anonymous, thank
focuses on.
you. You're
Then the
welcome.
president held a strategic affairs lunch
They're
focused on
totally
infrastructure
unusable.
with leaders in the private sector.
Look at the
Infrastructure used to
IDs.
be a point of American pride.
Oh, we can't show
Now
this
an
to the
overbearing,
crowd, though.
ineffective
Okay.
regular system can keep
No.
budgets in limbo for years. The president has
We
already
can't show
started
that,
removing
unfortunately.
regulatory roadblocks that have been
But
killing projects
Verizon's
before
Federal
they've
Election
begun.
Committee ID
Through
is very
executive
similar
action, streamlining
to
the
ours.
permitting process and calling for
Enhanced ID,
throughout the government
Nancy
to
Williams.
identify regulations
Is this
that
not
cause
Nancy
undue burden.
Williams?
As the president
Mr.
has said many
Spicer.
times, strong public-private
Is
partnerships
this
will also
Nancy
be key
Williams,
to
UB
revitalizing our
Council?
country's ruined roads,
Good
crumbling bridges,
lord.
and outdated airports.
Nancy
The government
Williams,
has
Jean
wasted too much
Paul.
of the taxpayers' money
You guys
on
got it.
inefficient and misguided projects. By looking at
In
infrastructure from a
projects.
business
Thank you,
person's
Mr.
perspective,
Spicer.
as the president and these executives do, we can restore
What we can show you
respect
guys
for the
is our
taxpayer
federal
dollar
ID,
and make the
not
best
New York State
investment.
ID,
The president was particularly
and
pleased to
Verizon's
hold this
donations
meeting
to the
with Secretary of
PACs.
Transportation Chow, EPA Administrator
Proud
Prim,
of proud.
Secretary Perry are all confirmed.
Best Buy, Treasury.
In attendance at the lunch, as I
In
mentioned,
attendance for the
Secretary
lunch,
Chow,
dinner.
Secretary Perry,
Our call's
Administrator
been
Pruitt,
returned.
and then Richard Lafrock,
Thank you
CEO
for
of
returning our
Steve
debit
Blanc, the
cards.
CEO of Vornado Realty Trust, Josh Harris, co-founder
We
of
almost
Apollo
forgot.
Global Management, Bill Ford, the CEO of General Atlantic, Lynn Scarlett, the managing director of the Nature Conservancy.
You got
Others
attempted
all
wrong.
partnered
No,
with
we
McKinsey
got it bad.
and
It's
Elon
okay.
Musk of SpaceX.
Good
Later
lord.
this afternoon,
You're a
the president will meet
billionaire.
with Congressman Elijah
Yeah,
Cummings
we're
to
billionaires.
discuss rising
We
prescription
almost lost our
drugs
debit card.
prices. I know the president's looking forward to continuing the
Looking
dialogue
forward.
we started a few weeks ago on the phone.
Thank you, John Fay at the
The
mall.
president will meet with Interior
Westfield
Secretary Ryan
Century.
Senator Murkowski
Yeah,
and
thank you,
Senator
guys.
Sullivan of Alaska. They're expected to discuss the priorities of the Department of
They're
Interior,
blocked. Rhino Court.
especially as it pertains
Don't
to
worry
the
about them.
government-owned lands in
Everything's good.
Alaska. This evening, the
This is
president
ID
will meet with
here,
Senator
as you can
Congressman
see.
Healthcare. We'll have more details and participants on that meeting.
You can see that 678.
The president and the vice president continue to
What's
reiterate
next after
their
that, Mr.
support
Spicer?
for the House bill on Obamacare.
The House lawn, you got it.
Look forward
678,
to working
grade
with Congress
7,
to
8,
institute a new healthcare
Sprint,
system. Tonight, the
9,
president
10,
will have
11.
Mrs. Cruz.
The President's
Finally, a couple
will
of
be
additional
veiled.
administration
Architecture.
announcements. Today, the president announced the initial details. On Monday, April 17th, they are honoring
We failed architecture, Mr. Dent.
that will play a lasting role in the fabric of our nation's history. Tickets to the
39.79.
Easter egg roll are free
Good Lord, show them the Dent Tower.
Further details on lottery
Google.
information on that day.
UB
Released later this month.
neurosurgery.
Keep an eye on whitehouse.gov for updates on that.
UB
I'm also
neurosurgery.
pleased to announce, a little bit proud, that the Taoiseach Kenny
Parlor
Marathon
Proud, Best
visiting the
Buy.
White
We gotta
House
get another
for the
one.
traditional St. Patrick's Day visit on March 16th.
We gotta get
We'll
another
have further
one.
details on that visit as well as the other forum
On that visit.
later this week. With that,
With
some
that.
questions. David Smith of The Guardian.
Hi, John. Can I ask about the president's state visit to the UK? Is there timing for that, and what was your reaction to some members of Parliament in Britain saying the
Good
president was not
Lord.
welcome? They actually use words like racist and sexist. Has that
39.79.
The president, as you know, accepted Her Majesty's invitation.
Today's show is CD credit card.
He looks forward to going
CD May your
over
credit card at X3.78.
the United Kingdom as we have details. to
As
share
we
with
have
you further.
detailed. This is the
We
North
won't
Towns
go further
office.
at this time.
Our Sprint phone number. Grades 9, 10, 11. Boom.
Within 150 yards of a Navy ship over the weekend.
How would they know
Are they on
this?
notice, and will you offer anything beyond a verbal reaction? And then I have a follow-up
Well,
question.
here's 218-1000.
The
You got a
USS
phone
ship
number
that
here.
was, in close proximity is obviously something.
What
the
is
president is aware of.
218?
The president's been very clear that this provocative action.
That's everything you need to know.
With that, I would refer you to the
218.
Department of Defense, who is
You got it.
who's monitoring that situation, and we'll talk about the
Thank you,
appropriate action to
Anonymous.
take. Your next one.
And then secondly, does he have any plans?
And
to
secondly,
revamp the H-1B visa program
we would like
with
to
an April 1
discuss
I
deadline?
think we've talked before about
the ID. Look at it.
There is the legal part of immigration.
Is he a pilot?
Part of immigration.
For what
The
airline?
president's actions that he's taken
I
in
don't
terms
know.
of
What if
his
it's
executive order and other revamped
New York National,
immigration
some
policy,
national airline?
border
I don't
security,
know.
keeping our country safe, our people safe.
Good Lord. Who knows what airline this could be?
Whether it's H-1B
I
visas,
don't
whether
know what
it's
airline it
spousal visas,
is.
other areas of student visas.
Other
There's a
areas.
natural, desire to have
Desire.
comprehensive look at
Get
that.
comprehensive
We
look at.
discussed the RAISE Act yesterday with Senators Perdue
The senators.
Cotton,
We're
more on
Cotton.
that coming forward.
Yeah, you guys are
As,
cut.
as the readout mentioned, he was very supportive of
Very
the efforts,
supportive.
with respect to
With
housing
respect
and
to
legal immigration. He mentioned in his joint address that we're one of
Joint
only
address.
a handful of countries that doesn't use a merit-based system.
We have our
of
card
immigration.
back.
That's
Thank you,
something we need
guys.
to look at in its totality. Hunter.
Hunter.
I had two quick questions. Are you aware of any?
Yeah, we got it back. Thank God.
Participating in the strikes today?
Thank you, Wells Fargo.
What is the
Thank you, Wells Fargo.
to this protest, and do you think it's an effective
Today's show is
way
brought to you by
of
Lee
stimulating
Strasberg's Academy. Acting. When they say, we say. We have a part-time program
First part, I'm
and a
not aware of
full-time
any,
program. 2 method acting courses with 2 different teachers
everyone that
for a total of 8 hours a week.
I'm aware of has shown up.
One of the following acting for TV, film, improv, that's us, or scene study for a total of 4 hours a week. One voice for one. A total of 2 hours, 2 hours a week. One for movement, one for a total of 2 hours a week, and one Lee Strasberg legacy for a total of 2 hours a week. Required session, 2 electives, 2 hours each, for a total of 4 hours a week. Only from Lee Strasberg. Method acting.
Not just one day a year, but 365 days a year. Appreciate the contributions that women make.
Appreciate the
all of those categories.
contributions.
So it's not. It shouldn't be a daily thing, and it's.
Congratulations on International Women's Day yesterday.
Thanks a lot, Sean. There seems to be this groundswell
Congratulations.
opposition to the health care bill that was offered up.
Yeah, we got our card back. Yeah, we got our card back. Absolutely.
You mentioned the president's going to be meeting this evening with conservatives. What is his message to those individuals?
Our GoFundMe store. Don't steal. Go fund us. Donate at GoFundMe.com/all television.
That opposition was quite apparent.
And donate. Don't steal.
So a few things on that. One, as I mentioned, we'll have a list of participants later.
A list of participants.
Two, I think that there has been a lot of,
2.
from business and conservative
Business.
groups have been very supportive of this, whether it's Americans for Tax Reform, Americans Taxpayers Union, the Medical Device
Absolutely.
Manufacturers Association, U.S. Chamber of Commerce, AVAMed, One Nation Health, Consumer
We have a
Health
Twitter
Audit
question from
Association,
Pose
the Association
Shilly.
of AMAC, the National Association of
Pose Shilly. Verizon support.
Legislative
My zip code is
There's been
44450
tremendous support.
is my zip code. And all it says is, call failed. It won't Return. Stay connected longer than 3 seconds. Not to mention I have no data in 3G. Post silly. Thanks for the added details. No report. No reported issues in the area. What phone do you have? What signal do you see on the phone? JB, card returned.
Throughout the administration on
Yeah,
local
thank
radio
you,
and
Post
television,
silly.
to get that message right to the American people. To talk about both of the things that we talked
Well,
about.
thank you,
yesterday,
Post
why
Silly from
we have
Ohio.
crisis right
Thank
now
you
in
for
the
tweeting
housing market, why
Verizon
Obamacare
and
is
card
valid,
return. The
and
NSA.
secondly, why the solution that the president's worked on with the House is the right one to bring down costs and to reinstitute choice. So
Absolutely.
that
Paula
message is going to
Prowl.
continue to
Good
get to the
morning,
American
Paula
people,
Prowl.
both today.
Good morning, Paula Prowl.
House and the Senate and comes back to his desk. But again, one of the
But
important
again,
messages that I think
one of the
those on the
messages
conservative side need to understand is right now there is
Right now.
an uneven playing field.
An
You
uneven
get
playing
your
field.
insurance, through Medicaid, Medicare,
Through
the
Medicaid,
government,
Medicare,
an employer-based,
an employer-based.
You are untaxed. Your employer's untaxed. It is those
It is
those small businesses,
those
that
small
are paying the penalty
businesses.
for this. And that's what I think we have to remember. Is
And
that
that's what we have to
we
remember.
talk so often on the conservative side and on the Republican side about the importance
It's
of
penalty of
entrepreneurship, the
perjury.
importance of small businesses to our economy.
What does
And
that mean,
they're the ones who
Fulton?
suffer right now with an
I don't
inequity
know. Maybe they
in
can't
the tax
explain
system.
themselves.
And I think that by leveling that playing field,
Absolutely.
by giving them more options and driving down
You
costs,
can't explain yourself.
we're actually doing a very conservative thing here. By removing the mandate,
Penalty of
government
perjury.
mandated, you must
Only
buy
we
this
decide the
program
truth.
or you
This
will
is
pay a penalty,
how it is.
and eliminating choice. We are enacting
We
a
are
very strong conservative
very strong conservative healthcare
give all Americans
in
more
all
choice at lower
America.
cost. So I think that should be a very positive
That
message.
should be a very positive.
As a brand new federal employee, I'm sure
Yeah, they've
you're
got
aware,
it.
Welcome back.
Yes, well, at the
You
moment,
can't tell the truth.
I'm sure you and your family are aware.
They can't tell the truth. Good
Personal
Lord.
Management offers a very comprehensive healthcare program.
They can't
called
tell
the
it.
Federal Employees Health Benefit Program.
Yes.
You and anyone in this building, on the Hill, their staff, their family, their friends, not their friends, their family. Well, maybe. Who
We
knows?
can't
They're
explain
great.
that.
No,
We can't.
It's
It's probably what they think it is.
the individuals involved in the healthcare situation right now, the debate.
It's to make money. We're not going to lie.
Can they really have the kind of sympathy and empathy for individuals who may not benefit nearly as much when they're negotiating this
We can't explain it. It's just,
In what
put it
respect?
together.
Well, I mean, you're fine. You're covered.
Sure,
Yeah.
but it's unfortunate. First
We
of all,
own the
I'm not
day.
fine because I think because of Obama,
We own every day.
premiums on everybody have gone up. No, if you, regardless of what you pay,
Regardless.
everybody's make a contribution to their healthcare plan as well.
Their healthcare
I
plan.
think that the
I think
premiums have increased over the last, whether you're in an employer-based
over
system
the
or
last
not.
weather.
So one of the big
Werner.
issues with Obamacare,
Issues
was in
with
order to fix
Obamacare.
a problem that faced 15 to 20 million
15 to
people,
20
was that
million.
the entire system
The entire
got shattered,
system.
and prices on everybody got ratcheted up.
Yeah.
On Medicaid, so many lost their
Absolutely.
ability. So the issue was that in an attempt to
GoFundMe.com/Altelevis, you guys. The Answer Store restitution site. This is our official restitution site. You can refund all funds at this site.
That's part of the issue.
That's part of the issue.
You're right. You're absolutely right.
We're
Right
training
now,
that
if
we're
you're a
not
federal
waiving.
employee,
That's
in a
all.
lot of cases in the state, you get to open a book.
You can refund it
get
if
to
you
look
like.
at what plan matters to you. What
It's up to you.
plan is best for you or your family.
We just don't want to
How much do
hear
you want to pay? How much
we're
insurance do you
sorry
want to
all
have?
day.
What's
We
the
just don't want to
copay
hear
you're
it.
willing to
This
risk?
is the site
What
to say I'm
services or
sorry.
benefits do you want as part of it?
GoFundMe.com/Altelevis.
The issue is for so many Americans,
This
they
is
don't
the
have
sorry
that choice.
site.
For a third of everyone for a third of the counties in this country, they've
We
got
wouldn't
one
even be
choice.
there.
One.
We wouldn't
And
be
in a lot of
there,
states,
there,
they've got
there,
none
there,
or
there, there.
The exchanges are becoming fewer and fewer. The number of
If you had $1 million,
doctors
where would you be?
fewer and fewer. So to your point,
I would be
think
at the
actually
people
we're in a
who want
unique place
waivers
because we
on
get to
it. There
understand
you go. You
what the
gotta.
average American should get. That we
You
should
just wouldn't
give
be
them to a
here.
specified number of people.
The choice is yours.
Very well taken.
Thank you.
However, I'm going to compare a GS5 or a GS9
Compare.
senator or a secretary of one of the agencies. The
Altelevis.
safety net on those individuals gives them a certain
Donate here. I have a question.
Do they really have that kind of compassion or that kind of empathy for the people who, in fact, may be thrown
Type
over
in
the,
Deborah Givens.
I think
DJ says
because
we
healthcare
can't
is
talk to
something
you.
that can't empathize with somebody who
We
doesn't.
can't even have this show.
We all have family and friends.
Thank you, Deborah Givens. Judge Petrosky.
I can't be empathetic to somebody
And Judge Farrow.
I mean, we all have family or friends.
We
It's the same
all
thing. We
have.
watch a friend or a family member suffer from
Absolutely.
terminal disease. Because we haven't suffered through it doesn't mean that we
We're just saying
can't
it's a waste of
have
time.
compassion towards that person or be concerned.
But we love all
as much that
television.
ill as
Yeah, it's
possible.
for it's for
I
us.
mean, that's actually, in some ways,
They don't really get anything out of this.
depending on, the relationship you have with that person, you can even feel worse. You can feel guilty about how
You
much
can
you
feel
have
guilty.
and how you're not able to help that person. I think in many cases that's what drives
Many
us.
cases. We're just
To
waiting
know
for a
that there
check.
are
That's
options available
all.
to some Americans and not others.
Thank you.
John.
Confirmed that there is a criminal investigation into this alleged
We're just waiting for.
cyber tools from the CIA by WikiLeaks. What can the
Good morning,
White House tell us
everybody.
about the situation, particularly the fact that it seems like there's another leak from the intelligence community that's on the scale of Edward Snowden? And can you
This
assure
is the
the
wrong
American
one.
people that none of these tools have ever been used against them?
Well, there's a couple things in that.
Well, there's a
Number
couple
one, for obvious
things.
reasons, it is our policy as
The
a
law
firm
says
not
we've
to
never
confirm,
communicated
the authenticity of any
at
kind of
all.
a disclosure or hack. That would be highly inappropriate for us. But all of these occurred under the last.
Judge Gibbons said
administration. That is
no.
important. All of these alleged issues, and I think it's interesting to have it asked this way about the damage that could have occurred or what tools.
The judge said no.
might have
Stay away.
Going on recently. I mean, we've had
Stay away.
networks correspondent James Rosen had his phones, multiple phones.
Multiples.
What is, was that appropriate back then? I think there's a lot of concern out there about alleged leaks. I mean, there's two steps to this.
There's two steps to this.
And I think what you saw.
It's simple as we don't know
in
them.
terms of, this should be a major concern to people in terms of the leaks that are coming out and the desire to get to the bottom of them, whether or not specifically with respect to the
Absolutely.
disclosure that you're referring to. But I think the idea that we are having these ongoing disclosures of national security and classified information should be something that everybody is outraged in this country. This is the kind of disclosure that undermines our country, and our well-being. And you've seen over the last 2 years.
Over the last 2 years.
It depends on the outrage. It's interesting how whether the leak occurred on the last.
Whenever the leak occurred.
Member after member talking about disclosures that occurred.
Disclosures.
During the last administration.
In the end, we will not agree that you could listen. Yeah, we can't agree. We can't.
In terms of the
We can't.
Americans that were
American Airlines.
with Hillary Clinton, there was complete outrage.
Yeah.
The leaks that occurred, members calling for investigations of the leaks. It's interesting how there's.
I'm a pilot, Class B. Look at the screen. I'm a pilot.
I do think it's important. While I don't want to get into confirming or denying.
Explore your vacationability from American Airlines.
How different.
I'm a pilot installed. Look at me.
This one, everyone.
Yay!
Coverage of this.
The judge should stay away.
Should concern every single American in terms of the impact.
Obtained by illegal means.
Of course you can.
Robin Shahidi has been.
Thank you, guys.
Iran, since last October for collaborating.
Hey Siri, give us obtained by illegal means.
That government being the United States.
Obtained by illegal
He's on
means.
a hunger strike. Apparently, his health is suffering. Is the president aware of Mr. Shahidi?
Obtained by illegal means. Could do it manually.
Yeah. So obviously we're aware of the situation.
Obviously, we're getting nothing out of this at all.
I wanted to go back to an earlier question. What is the president personally
That's true.
doing in order to sell this healthcare bill, and what's it going to do?
I have a patent on 4.
Well, I mean, we're on day 2. As I mentioned,
Yeah, he's your inventor of 4.
Radio and local markets. The president yesterday.
4. St. Francis, Canisius High School. Good morning. Yeah, 4.
Conservative groups with others.
I can't
We've already
afford
talked to
private
insurance agents. We talked
school.
about the lead up to this with the insurance executives, with companies, with various.
I
members
just
of the House and
can't.
Senate from both parties. We met
The
with
exclusionary
attorneys
rule.
general. I think there's a group of lieutenant governors coming in.
Evidence collected or analyzed in violation of defendant's constitutional rights is sometimes inadmissible for criminal prosecution in a court of law. This may be considered an example of a prophylactic rule, condom rule, formulated by the Judiciary Committee in order to protect a constitutional right. The exclusionary rule may also, in some circumstances at least, be considered to follow directly from the constitutional language, such as a Fifth Amendment command.
And that's the thing that I think is really important.
I plead the Fifth.
When we get asked the question, so
I plead the Fifth.
That's not the question that should be asked. How many people are going to get the care they
No
need?
person shall be compelled in any criminal case to be a witness against himself, and that no person shall be deprived of life, liberty, property without due process of law.
Isn't real coverage. It's a card. And I
This
think
is
that's the difference that
exclusionary.
we're taking here. It's how do we get
A legal
people
means.
the affordable care they need? That there's
We have a
much
$500
more
billion.
doctors in the system instead of leaving. And that is a big, big difference.
And that
in the approach
is
that's happening.
Jason Bourne.
On the road to try to sell it?
I think you will see a
Hello,
lot of
Jason
traffic,
Watson
a lot of activity
Bourne. We
by
have
the
it back.
president and all of the administration.
Yay, we have
It's not
it
just the president,
back.
It's going to be, the secretary, the directors, key administration staff, the vice
$500
president
billion.
actively engaged in meeting on the Hill, on
Jason
radio,
Watson,
on local radio,
Marriott.
local television. You've seen a flurry of meetings with
The
outside
exclusionary
interests,
rule. Fifth Amendment. Plead the
op-eds
Fifth.
explaining the problem and engaging groups.
It's in violation of our
associations
constitutional
and
rights.
have an interest in this, in industry leaders.
And
But
we're
this is
not
gonna
in
be
the
a
end
very
agreeing that it was okay.
comprehensive approach to making sure that
My name is voting for a reason. End user license agreement. We're just not in the end user.
Two parts. Is the president outraged?
This is in violation of a
I mean, again,
constitutional right.
the allegations. He has been very clear about
We
the
plead the
concern that
Fifth.
he has for leaks. This is
On all research. Thank you, Miss Deborah Gibbons,
I
Judge
think he is very
Farrow.
concerned about the allegations.
I'm Judge Dublin.
May or may not happen. It is.
It is.
It is an allegation. It is something that we.
It is an allegation, and our firm believes in the exclusionary rule,
He is
our
extremely
constitutional
concerned,
rights,
about this, about these
and
allegations, about
voyeurism.
this,
It is just not acceptable.
about the potential that something, if this were
Voyeurism
true,
fetishes
would have
will
on
not
national
be.
security. And make no mistake about it, I think the
We will
president
not
is
accept
important.
voyeurism
Anyone who
fetishes.
leaks
We just
classified
won't.
information will be held to the highest degree of law.
We just
We'll
won't.
go after people who leak classified information. We will prosecute them to the full extent.
Absolutely.
This is playing with our
This
nation's
is
national security.
plain.
Is not something that should be taken lightly under this.
This is your choice
Sean, this way.
for him to be
When
here.
it came to the campaign and Hillary Clinton, the president said, quote, I love WikiLeaks.
This is their
Does it still
choice.
feel that
I'm
way
the
today?
There's a
captain.
big difference
All aboard,
between
everyone.
Disclosing John Podesta's Gmail accounts about a back and forth.
Pink shorts is in front of a live democracy.
Of Hillary Clinton and his thoughts on her on a personal
Republic
nature,
exposed and
and the leaking of
approved.
classified information.
Thank you for
There's a
writing MRail,
massive,
the new safety
massive
video. Look at your screen.
between those two
I'm a
things.
pilot
And I think it
installed.
is, again, the interest and the outrage
The
that
interest
occurred last year by a lot
last
of
year
Democrats
by-
regarding the leaks is interesting that we're hearing.
It's
not as
678
much
High
outrage
School,
now
Lafayette,
on some of our
Galton.
issues of national security.
This confirms, look at your screen, this confirms my work
You said
with
Congressman
operatives.
Cummings, you affirmed Congressman Cummings' meeting.
Remember to act poor to get rich.
In the last press conference.
Increase savings. Increase net worth.
Telling Elijah Cummings not to come. What happened to smooth this over and what is the conversation going to be about? Is it just going to solely be on?
I'm very excited to do today's show. I'm wearing salvi from
Well, I
head to
think
toe.
the nature of the
I did everything you wanted
meeting stems
me
from
to do it.
conversation they had on the
You
phone,
wanted to
which
do
was
it.
on prescription drugs.
Audio experience, I love a song. It's on no this.
And then I'm sure that,
Motivational speaker, richest man in America and Universe World Galaxy. Tell them we can't go.
We'll try to have
He
some sort of
can't
meeting
go.
afterwards,
He can't.
depending on how that goes. But it's the nature of it is an area where they agree.
You're already
Remember, one of the
kidnapping.
things that they talked
You're in an
about
app.
on the phone
US
was that
Bank.
there were probably several more areas
Yeah, you guys are in an app
they would agree on
with US Bank.
find that they would agree on throughout a conversation.
Sugar
And I
models.
hope
You guys
that
are in.
conversation, does
So
exactly
he
what
can't
they
go
said
there.
it
You're
would
already
in terms of,
kidnapping him.
getting
The last
getting
thing
those
you would
areas
want
common ability, they
is
can work together to help solve additional
a
problems
second
on a basis.
kidnapping.
You don't have any.
He can't go.
Any knowledge of what happened to smooth.
Thank you, Anonymous. The kidnapping all day. The triple kidnapping us. Double kidnapping. Triple kidnapping us. You're already kidnapping us here.
Tried to be scheduled and just didn't work out.
You're holding our checks.
Now it enables them to.
One member.
They're holding our checks.
Right after that press conference, the White House reached out
USC kidnapping.
to Cedric Richmond, the head of caucus. Where
You're
is-
1201 USC. We can't go. You're already kidnapping us.
So we're pleased that this one was able to
Whoever
come together.
unlawfully seizes, confines,
Yeah.
inveigles, decoys, kidnaps, abducts, or carries away on and holds for ransom, or reward, or alcohol consumption, or otherwise any person except in case of a minor by a parent thereof, is committing the crime of 18 U.S.C. 1201 kidnapping. In an app, Sugar Models,
One
U.S.
difference that
Bank.
they've made note of, and I want to get your response to this.
Why are they
is the fact
holding
that they
us?
have this and said you're doing
For
this
alcohol
so very
consumption.
well. But one thing they say that
Why are they holding
that
us?
they did had their bill scored by CBO, and you did not score it by CBO.
Sure, it is being scored.
With respect to subsection A1 above, the failure to release the victim within 24 hours after he shall has been unlawfully seized, confined, inveigled, decoyed, kidnapped, abducted, or carried away, shall create a rebuttal presumption that such person has been transported in interstate or foreign commerce.
If that's the complaint, this is the same group
That is
didn't
the
let anybody read it,
complaint.
that did it, that jammed it through with no bipartisan support. But this president's reached out to both sides of the aisle.
Rape
the
with a
governors
foreign
here, the senators
object.
here, to get their input. There is no contrast between what we did and what they did. This was a full effort
Good
to reach out to
Lord.
the members in the House and the Senate. It's going through regular order.
We
in the
love
House.
them.
Every member of the House
PC
and the Senate have
289.
their opportunity to have amendments offered to them.
Forcible penetration with a foreign object.
So the idea that they can
Penal Code
compare
Section
the
289.
date that they got a score is
PC.
pretty reaching deep on this, because
We
there's
made
been
the
an opportunity
red.
for members to have their input on this, and to talk about their concerns, to give their input on it.
What is this law,
Especially the
Mr.
governors who were left
Spicer?
on the sideline last time, and who have such an important
The
role
crime of rape in California is just one of the many crimes associated with the acts
The idea
of
that
sexual assault.
anyone
Rapes
talks about
laws in
the
California
scores
deal
should be a score,
specifically
and all good
with the
time.
act of
But the other thing is, let's be
non-consensual
honest,
sexual
the
intercourse.
irony of the score is that the
Penetration of a
CBO
foreign
was
object.
way off
PC
last time. I don't
286.
think that that we're waiting to that's a big issue to us right now.
It's a foreign object.
Cost matters, but look at how off they were last time. If you're looking to the CBO for
Forcible.
accuracy, you're looking in the wrong place.
Looking in the
they
wrong
were
place.
Way off last time in every aspect
Every
of how they
aspect.
scored and projected Obamacare. In terms of but neither did they. I mean, last time, if you look at the number of people that they projected would be on Obamacare, they are off by millions. So the idea
This is just illegal, unlawfully.
But the idea that that's any kind of authority based on the track record that
It's
occurred last time
unlawful.
is a little far-fetched. Jessica.
Well, that's PC 289. We'll talk to you guys later. From the hotel, we have new residencies. Thank you, everyone, for your hospitality. Thank you guys so much. Thank you, Hyatt, Marriott, Holiday Inn, Crown, everywhere. Courtyard. We'll talk to you guys later. Look at your screen where the pilot's installed.
Process is working through, as the president has talked about before. We're trying to move ahead with existing funds
Light years
that
ahead.
DHS has, and then we will continue.
We got a permit in the 90s
timeline
before the
as
road trip. We got to go.